Are you ready for the next big leap in aerial photography and videography? The DJI Air 3S is creating a huge buzz in the drone community, and it's no wonder why. With leaked images and rumors suggesting an array of advanced features and capabilities, this drone is set to push the boundaries of what's possible in the mid-range drone market. From a revamped camera system to next-level safety features, there's a lot to unpack. So, let's dive into everything we know about the upcoming DJI Air 3S, which is speculated to launch this October. One of the most talked about upgrades is the camera system. Rumored to feature a high-resolution sensor with a larger aperture, this drone could set a new standard for image quality in its class. Many are speculating that the Air 3S will include a dual camera setup with a primary wide-angle lens and a secondary telephoto lens. Beyond the camera, the Air 3S is rumored to sport enhanced flight performance. Equipped with more powerful motors and improved battery efficiency, this drone is expected to offer extended flight times and increased stability in challenging conditions. Coupled with intelligent flight modes such as active track, point of interest, and waypoints, the Air 3S might be the perfect companion for capturing dynamic shots effortlessly. It's believed that the primary camera will be a 24mm wide-angle lens, ideal for capturing expansive scenes with stunning clarity. With an improved aperture, the wide-angle lens will gather more light, resulting in vibrant, detailed images even in low-light conditions. The secondary camera is rumored to be a 70mm telephoto lens, which can deliver detailed shots of distant subjects without the need for digital cropping. The drone's build quality and design are rumored to echo the sleek, professional aesthetic of its predecessors. The Air 3S is expected to feature a compact, foldable frame, making it highly portable and easy to carry on outdoor adventures. Its lightweight design, combined with a robust construction, would make it suitable for both casual users and seasoned drone enthusiasts. As for battery life, rumors indicate that the Air 3S will come with a higher capacity battery than its predecessor, potentially offering up to 40 minutes of flight time on a single charge. This would be a significant improvement, allowing users to capture more content without constantly worrying about landing to swap out batteries. Leaks suggest that the DJI Air 3S might support dual-band video transmission, enabling higher quality video feeds over greater distances. While there's no official word from DJI yet, industry insiders are speculating an announcement in early October, with a release date around October 15th. This timeline would align with DJI's previous launch patterns, as they often release new products in the fall. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe.